Everything keeps pounding in my head, can't free my soul till I learn to let go. Losing control, say it ain't so. Throw my hands up, learn to let go. Good at goodbyes, bad at low. Throw my hands up, learn to let go. Made up, millions of reasons. Made up, million little pieces, yeah. Still seems skin will shed. Tired of holding on tight, so tired of trying to make it all alright. When will it be alright? Is it over? Is it over yet? Why can't I just let myself forget? Everything keeps pounding in my head, can't free my soul till I learn to let go. Losing control, say it ain't so. Throw my hands up, learn to let go. Good at goodbyes, bad at low. Throw my hands up, learn to let go. Learn to let go. I'm tired of being in my head. Yeah, I'm tired of being left alone. Can you teach me how to breathe it in? I can't free my soul till I learn to let go. Good at goodbyes, bad at low. Throw my hands up, learn to let go. Is it over? Is it over? Is it over? Learn to let go. Is it over yet? Learn to let go. I'm walking down the street with some evil in my eye and some thoughts in my head that were making me feel high. On my head was a hoodie, in my ears was some bass. I was walking around my dog when I saw that sexy face come towards me. And with a little cheeky smile, if she was a phone, I pick her up and dial the fire brigade. Or 000, she stole me my tracks and said, hello, hello. Oh, hello. Sleeping in the sand with some dreams in my head that were causing an extension to the towel and my bed. And the waves were rolling like the curves on those legs, like a sweet beach pillow with a centerfold spread. In the midst of the slumber, heard some footsteps are creeping, and I woke to discover the woman I've been dreaming. She knelt at me side, said, can I share your pillow? I rolled over and I said, well, hello. Oh, hello. Some like money making, some like cars, and some like the houses with the rooftop spires, and some like to gossip about some rich sugar daddies. But me and my friends were like the golden brown honey's, and some like watching people living on TV. That's a little strange if you're asking me, cause I like to read and laugh and play down all these other things I know. Well, hello. Oh, hello. Hello.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
I fuck these bitches and I'm fucking all these hoes. I'm eating pussy like it's Oreo. You already know.
You already fucking know, bitch. Ayy! Got all this paper, I don't go to class. Shorty look good with that double stuffed ass. Shoe made a gator, so I'll see you later. Your boy meant the fade, all your shit is trash. She only a 5 in her face, so her head get a bag and my time don't get waste. Give me a time and a place and I'm pulling up fast cause my tongue like the taste. Ooh, how do you do that? Keep my shit wavy like do-rags. Make me your X-Men like Hugh Jack. I can't be your boo, I'm a douchebag. Got so much drip you kids might need a hoodie. Said I'm out here buzzing, but I got a woody. I've been in the field, but I feel like a rookie. And I eat that pussy like Link's favorite cookie.
I fuck these bitches and I'm fucking all these hoes. I'm eating pussy like it's Oreos. You already know. I fuck these bitches and I'm fucking all these hoes. I'm eating pussy like it's Oreos. You already know.
Ay, you already know, ay, pull up in a robe, ay, think it's shit, I steal his bitch, she ride me rodeo, ay, water how I flow, ay, coke all in my nose, ay, stack it quick, I'm getting rich, you see me do-si-do, ay, bitch, what do you mean I can't see a titty, and I'm whipping out my peen in the middle of the city, and I'm rocking Nike, but the fit is looking shitty, and I can't hit that bitch, cause I just been so busy, she grab on my dick and say, this little piggy, while out in public, they say, you shotgun Willie, just call me the kid, got a tattoo of Billy, I want my nuts kissed from a bitch, hot as chili, huh, you already know though, why all these motherfuckers want a photo? Kiss my homies on the mouth, I'm a homo. Pulling up by style, feeling Frozone. I've been bagging all these bitches like a Frodo. Catch me whipping on my dick like a yo-yo. And her man is a bum, he a hobo. Matrix in the whip, gon' slow-mo. Whoa, yo, oh no.
I fuck these bitches and I'm fucking all these hoes. I'm eating pussy like it's Oreo. You already know. Yeah. I fuck these bitches and I'm fucking all these hoes. I'm eating pussy like it's Oreo. You already know.
Did I really just forget that melody? When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of hot chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can withdraw. Ran up the dough, I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la, la la la. I shot my wrist, it go like sha sha sha, sha sha sha. I got your bitch singing la 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 la, la la la. I was dry like that. Amex, no cap, ain't hard.